On reaching the place, he said to them, "Pray that you will not fall into temptation." Luke chapter 22 verses 40. Hello, beautiful family. A very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Cheers to another way of turning your bulgur wheat into something marvelous, which is the most creamiest, delicious bulgur wheat porridge. You know you're gonna have a good day when you start your day very well with this amazing and incredible healthy porridge. So please, family, stay tuned and let me walk you through how to make this creamy wheat porridge. You're going to love it. Let's get started. So in this recipe, you will decide to use either the brown bulgur wheat, which I'm using today, or the yellow one, whichever is best. Okay, so I'm going to use 2 cups of this brown bulgur wheat, and I'm going to take 1/3 of it and set it aside for later use. I am going to show you exactly what I'm going to do with that. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and wash it very well and soak it overnight, which will help me cut down on my cooking time, because hey, in the morning you're doing something quick. You do not want something that will take you forever to prepare. Okay, so soaking it overnight is just the best way to just start everything. Okay, so I'll set it aside and just go to bed and relax and let it do its work. So in the morning, I went ahead to just go ahead and turn the 1/3 of my bulgur wheat into wheat flour. Okay, this is going to serve as my thickener, as wheat does not contain too much starch because of its amount of fiber that it contains. So you just want to help it by using some sort of flour. People use rice flour, all-purpose flour and stuff, or even cornstarch, but I prefer to use the wheat flour, which is more healthier. Okay, always opting for the healthier version. So here is the bulgur wheat soaked overnight. As you can see, it has swallowed all the water and it's very, very nice and soft. And to that, I have my sugar, a little bit of salt, a bit of nutmeg, and my vanilla essence. That is all. So in my bowl, I'm going to bring about 1 liter of water to a boil. And so while waiting for the water to boil, I'm going to go ahead and rinse my bulgur wheat once again. Since it was soaked overnight, you just want to discard the excess water and wash it once again. Okay, so once that is done, my water is nice and warm. So I'm going to now put my soaked bulgur wheat in there, and I'm going to now stir it gently and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. Cover it halfway and make sure you go ahead and stir it like every 2 minutes, making sure that you're not burning the bottom of your pot. So now this is what I love to do with my wheat flour. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of my oat milk. You can use any milk of choice. Okay, it's just to make this porridge extremely creamy. So I'm going to stir it, and look how beautiful it's looking now. It is now time for me to add it into my boiling wheat, and you should be cooking this for about 4 minutes before you add your wheat flour. Okay, it is absolutely easy, very, 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 very quick, and very nutritious to make it this way. Go ahead and stir it gently. As soon as you add the wheat flour, you will notice that it gets thicker and thicker and thicker. That's what we want. So go ahead and gently stir. Make sure at this point you lower your heat to medium heat and just allow the wheat to cook. Okay, this should take you for about 10 more minutes and everything should be ready. In total, you just cook this for about 15 minutes and you should be done. Now I'm going to season it with some nutmeg powder, a bit of salt, and some vanilla essence for that beautiful aroma and flavor as well. I just love seasoning it with these 3 ingredients. It's just so amazing. You can decide to also use cinnamon powder as well. It is also very, very good. Now look at this. So creamy, super amazingly delicious and the aroma is simply amazing. So now I'm going to sweeten it with a bit of sugar. You can decide to use some honey. You can decide to use any sweetener of choice. Most of the time that I do not like to start my day with sugar, I'll just leave it on like that and just enjoy it. I love it. It is absolutely incredible. As it thickens, you just want to go ahead and add a little bit of hot water and you should be good to go. Allow this to simmer for an extra 2 minutes and your porridge should be done. It is simply amazing. It does not get creamier, delicious, and more amazing in the morning like this. It's just so incredibly tasty. I love to pair it with some omelette, our style, the Ghanaian style, of course. I'm going to get my chibom ready, and of course we do not want to count the calories, so we're going to squeeze the bread so that all the calories will vanish, right? Isn't it? So we are done. Everything is set to go. This amazing wheat porridge is one of my favorite breakfasts ever. It is so delicious. You may also choose to have it as dinner too, as it is very filling, loaded with lots of fiber. So if you are a breastfeeding mom, I will highly recommend this breakfast because it's going to help you produce more breast milk. It is absolutely incredible. I just love my wheat porridge. You should try it too, and I believe you're going to really enjoy it. So there you have it, family. You asked for more wheat recipes, and there you are. I have tons of them. If you are still interested in more wheat recipes, let me know, and I'm going to come up with lots of wheat recipes and I'm going to compile it in a longer video. So let me know in the comment section. All right, so this brings us to the end. Thank you so much, family, for watching right to the end. I really hope you learn a thing or two. It is always my pleasure to serve you. Thank you so much. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, and if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for more amazing new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day.